tomorrow is the day. Tomorrow we'll start working out. Okay, guys, tomorrow. Car's coming. Car's coming. Ah! It's following me. It's following me. Ah! It's gonna turn. It's turning. It's waiting. Help! Buenos dias. Boom. You know how I said tomorrow was the day? You guessed it. I didn't work out again. But tomorrow. I bought these in bulk. So we have a lot of green tea. Oh yeah. We're gonna try. And just drink tea today, okay? Tea only, Angel, okay? No more Monster. Tomorrow you're definitely running. Here's to running. And drinking lots and lots of tea. For everybody wondering if I actually eat the masapan after each video, the answer is yes, I do eat them. I don't just throw them away. Okay. ¿Por qué? Ok, ahorita lo pongo. It's looking at me, guys. It's looking at me. I'm trying not to. ¿30 años? ¿Qué cosa es esa para alguien que tenga 30 años? ¡Tío! ¡Adiós, tío! That's one cookie. ¡Ah, cabrón! And guess what? We got a special guest. Boom. Talkmen Tuesday podcast. Check it out. How would you? We'll get more into Charlie later on. We're dead. We're done. Oh. That's it. Oh. Boom. Thank you guys for watching. But tomorrow is the day. Tomorrow we'll start working out. Okay, guys, tomorrow. Car's coming. Car's coming. Ah! It's following me. It's following me. Ah! It's gonna turn. It's turning. It's waiting. Help! Just kidding. It's my dad.